After a long wait, my flagship TV that I'm gonna be personally using is finally here. Every once in a while, there's a TV that completely changes your expectations of what Mini LED can actually look like. This is TCL's brand new QM8L model, and I can confidently say it is kinda mind-blowing. I got the flagship 85-inch model featuring TCL's latest SQD-Mini LED technology, an incredible 4000 plus local dimming zones, and up to 6000 nits of peak HDR brightness, brand new halo control system, WHVA 2.0 Ultra panel, TCL deep color system, TSR AI processor pro, native 144Hz refresh rate, game accelerator, audio by Bang Olufsen, and Google TV. That was a lot to take, but this is absolutely stacked. While those are marketing terms, I'm going to show you exactly what each one does and how it actually improves your viewing experience and whether QM8L deserves a place in your living room or not. So starting with the unboxing experience, TCL keeps everything clean and straightforward. Inside the box, you'll obviously find the TV itself, the stand, remote, power cable, documentation, pretty much everything you need to get up and running. If you're getting the 85-inch version, I definitely recommend having another person help with this setup because this thing is absolutely massive. Once everything was set up, the first thing I realized is just how premium this television actually looks. One thing TCL has really focused on this year is making the TV disappear once it's turned on. They're calling it the zero border design, and it's exactly what it sounds like. The bezels are incredibly thin, giving you a much more immersive viewing experience where your attention naturally stays on the picture instead of the frame surrounding it. The metal construction feels solid, the finish is clean, and despite being such a large television, it doesn't look bulky or outdated. Around the back, you've got an excellent selection of ports, including 4 HDMI inputs, making it incredibly easy to connect your gaming console, streaming device, and sound systems without constantly swapping cables. In short, this is really modern, minimal, and very on the 2026 flagship standard. But of course, the real magic is on the display. This is easily the biggest reason to buy the QM8L in my opinion. This television uses TCL's newest SQD-Mini LED technology, and it's an absolute game changer. Compared to traditional LED televisions which use much larger back layers, which means bright and dark areas of the picture often end up affecting each other, this one completely changes that because there are thousands of tiny LEDs working independently behind the display, so the television gains dramatically better control over light. And TCL has taken this one step further with something called Halo control system. This combines the Mini LED backlit, precise local dimming algorithm, panel technology, and image processing together to reduce blooming while maintaining incredibly bright highlights. The first thing I really wanted to test was the black levels because this is honestly where premium televisions separate themselves from the average ones. And after watching some space scenes, some night movies, a few HDR demo clips, I gotta say this TV looks phenomenal. Instead of seeing dark gray backgrounds, you're actually getting genuinely deep blacks that immediately make HDR content feel much more cinematic. This is exactly where those 4000 plus local dimming zones really start working. This TV is able to brighten incredibly small parts of the image while keeping everything around them almost completely black. So if you like to watch movies like Batman or Dune or any of the darker vibe movies, they're gonna look incredible on this SQD-Mini LED display. You can also really distinguish clothing textures, facial details, object hidden in darker environments. I don't think that shooting through camera can do justice of just how good this TV performs in this darker scenario. Now, having deep blacks is only half of the equation. The other half is the brightness, and this is honestly where the QM8L becomes incredibly impressive. The 85-inch model is capable of reaching up to 6000 nits of peak HDR brightness, which is honestly the brightest display I ever had on any of the personal TVs that I've owned. Thanks to this, if you're watching a movie and there's a sudden fire or explosion or a lot of bright scenes, like everything that is bright is gonna just look amazing on the screen. Even watching during daytime with sunlight coming into the room, the picture still remains bright, vibrant, and incredibly easy to see. And when you switch off the lights, the combination of those incredible deep blacks together with extreme bright HDR highlights create an image that simply looks stunning. And it's not just the movies or TV shows that will become more immersive. Even YouTube HDR videos suddenly look far more premium than you're probably used to. And that's honestly been my biggest takeaway after using the TCL QM8L model for a few days. It's how all of these display technologies come together to create an image that simply feels expensive every single time you sit down and watch it. Now, what about the color performance? Well, TCL combines its SQD-Mini LED panel with the new TCL Deep Color system, and the first thing you'll notice is just how rich and vibrant everything looks without feeling exaggerated. So all of your greens, ocean blues, sunsets, and pretty much everything that is colorful on the screen, it will look very true to life. While colors remains vibrant, faces still look natural. Overall, the picture you get has a really balanced look that works across movies, YouTube, sports, and everyday content. Another advantage of TCL's new display system is its extremely wide color coverage, allowing HDR content to reproduce an enormous amount of color information. Now this year, TCL made the introduction of the WHVA 2.0 Ultra panel. Thanks to this, whether you're sitting directly in front of the TV or moving towards the side of the couch, the image remains impressively consistent. Now, I've also used OLED TVs and I still think OLED has a slight advantage when it comes to viewing from extremely wide angles, but compared to many traditional LED televisions, this is a definitely noticeable improvement, and considering this is an 85-inch version of the QM8L, it actually does perform really well from those tight angles. Now, powering everything behind the scenes is TCL's DSR AI Processor Pro. It analyzes every frame in real time to improve sharpness, contrast, colors, and overall clarity. One thing that was really noticeable is just how well the TV handled lower resolution content. As we know, not everything we watch is in native 4K, so whether it's older YouTube videos or older TV broadcasts, the upscaling definitely does a really nice job of cleaning up the image without making it look overly processed. When it comes to the motion performance, if you watch a lot of sports, this TV is going to make you very happy. Considering I've watched a few of the World Cup matches on this TV, it's been an incredible experience thanks to the native 144Hz refresh rate, which means fast-moving content looks incredibly smooth. It's not just football, any of the other sports will look great. And of course, that directly translates into my favorite section, which is gaming. When it comes to gaming, TCL did not hold back. The QM8L includes Game Accelerator, HDMI 2.1 connectivity, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and support for higher refresh rate gaming. So whether you're connecting a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or even a gaming PC, this TV is ready for it. Gameplay feels incredibly responsive, the input lag is very low, the overall experience feels extremely fluid. Now moving on to the software, TCL continues using Google TV, and honestly, I still think it's one of the best smart TV platforms available today. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Apple TV, YouTube, Spotify, pretty much every major streaming service is available right out of the box. Plus all the other exciting Google features like the voice search through Google Assistant works really well. There's also a built-in Chromecast support, making it incredibly easy to cast videos, photos, or presentations directly from your phone. Also, navigating through the interface feels fast and responsive, and that's something I always appreciate because there is nothing more frustrating than a sluggish smart TV. Now when it comes to the audio performance, QM8L does incredibly well thanks to the audio by Bang & Olufsen. Considering these are built into the TV, not outside, these are actually surprisingly better than some of the other competitors that I've tried. The dialogue sounds clean and easy to understand, music has a nice amount of depth, action scenes carry noticeably more impact than what you'd normally expect from some of the competitors. If you're trying to build a dedicated home theater without spending extra money on the sound, I'd still recommend pairing this TV. For my everyday Netflix, YouTube, sports, and casual movie nights, these speakers were really good. So what's the verdict? Should you buy the TCL QM8L? Well, after spending time with it, I genuinely think TCL has produced one of its strongest mini LED TVs to date. The combination of SQD-Mini LED, the Halo control system, and the 4000 local dimming zone, incredibly high brightness, like these features truly makes this experience feel premium. For me personally, the biggest highlights are definitely the incredible contrast, the deep blacks and excellent HDR performance, and of course the overall gaming experience. Of course, no TV is completely perfect. If you're viewing from super extreme angles, OLED panels still maintain a slight advantage, but I will say that is slight because this TV has definitely made that improved quite a bit, and also considering it has incredibly insane brightness, it manages those screen reflections incredibly well. Again, overall for the price, you're getting pretty strong package. If you're looking for a flagship mini LED TV that delivers outstanding movie performance, excellent gaming features, and an overall premium viewing experience, then TCL QM8L should absolutely be on your shortlist. This is going to be the TV that I'm personally going to be daily driving moving into 2027 and beyond. But let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.